I'm Sharifa Sophia, and today we're going to do a review about the Tefal Fry Delight. The Fry Delight has an air pulse technology, which actually means it has a heating element that actually circulates the heat over here, and it will heat the food evenly once you've put it in. It has 4 different cooking programs, which is frying, roasting, baking, and also grilling. Now that's really awesome. It's very easy to use, and it has 2 very important elements of it, which is the timer and also the temperature. And the temperature can go up to 200 degrees Celsius. In order to use this, it has the little settings over here, and it can actually tell you what is recommended for everything you want to cook. So say for instance you want to bake, you can go up to 160 degrees right over here, and it tells you what time is recommended for you. So that's about 20 to 25 minutes. But right now, we're actually going to try and cook some wedges, which is going to be totally fast. It's going to be about 15 minutes to cook 2 servings of wedges. And the awesome thing about it is that there's going to be no smell coming out of it, and it's going to be easy to clean because we don't use that much oil anyway, and it's a non-stick pan. Let's start some magic, shall we? It's ready! Sedapnya bau. Dan yang bestnya, tak ada bau minyak langsung pun sebab kita tak guna minyak. Yeah! So the one thing I love about the Fry Delight is the fact that we have those 4 different functions, which is the frying, the grilling, the roasting, and also the baking. And the fact that we don't have to use any oil whatsoever means we can enjoy so much goodness without having to feel any guilt at all.